cranberry sauce. I'm going to add 3 cups of cranberries to 1 cup of boiling water. Half a cup of tamarind, a little less than half, a little bit of pepper flakes, salt, this cumin powder, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar per cup. That's 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Everything is in, and now I'm going to let it cook. Mix everything together, and after a few minutes you will see the batters will start popping, and we are going to let it cook. And it tints a little bit of citric acid, and within 15 minutes you have your cranberry. There you go. It took 15 minutes and cranberry sauce is ready. No preservatives, nothing. Fresh whole berries. It's beautiful color. And it's got a kick to it. That's it. Done. This is my cranberry sauce. Make it a head and put it in a jar. Make a head and use it when you need to. It's beautiful, rich color, as you can see. No artificial preservatives, anything. And just make a head, put it in your jar. Whenever your turkey is ready and you're ready to serve, take it out, heat it up, or serve it just like that. I hope you like it. Try making it. It's really yummy. Thank you.